Using first principles, show that the derivative of f of x equals 3x squared minus 4x plus 1 is f prime of x equals 6x minus 4. Show all working clearly. To find the derivative from first principles, we use this formal definition. F prime of x equals the limit as h approaches 0 of f of x plus h minus f of x all over h. Let's apply this to our question. Given the function f of x equals 3x squared minus 4x plus 1, we need to show that its derivative is f prime of x equals 6x minus 4. Here is how we do it step by step. Step 1. Find f of x plus h. We substitute x plus h into the function 3 times x plus h squared minus 4 times x plus h plus 1. Step 2. Expand the brackets. 3 times x squared plus 2xh plus h squared minus 4x minus 4h plus 1. Step 3. Subtract the original f of x and divide the whole thing by h. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out. In the next video, we'll cover the power rule and other differentiation shortcuts to save you massive amounts of time on your exams. Step 4. Take the limit as h approaches 0. All the terms with h will vanish. And just like that, we are left with 6x minus 4.